I should really do homework. But then again, it doesn't snow like this around here very often, and my truck does have four-wheel drive. But I can't look like my schoolwork. I really don't want to do that right now. Okay, I just need to stand here and force the desire to go adventuring out of my head. Yeah, okay, I can't do it. I'm going to the mountains. Every few years, something magical happens in the South. It snows. Yes, it typically flurries once or twice a year, but I'm talking about large accumulation and heavy precipitation, which in turn leads to redneckification. People absolutely lose their freaking minds when it snows here and make questionable decisions at best. I'm talking day-drinking, half-naked snowball fights in your front yard crazy, and in a college town, the crazy is dialed up to 11. However, the South's unfamiliarity to loosely connected aquatic solids is elucidated best by driving ability. Most Southerners have no earthly idea how to navigate over the heavenly dandruff, and many end up in ditches or stranded in the middle of the street, which adds additional obstacles for those who know how to drive in the snow and exacerbates problems for those who don't. I decided to brave these hazardous conditions and see just how much snow was at the top of the nearest peak to me, which happened to be the Woody Gap Recreational Area, which features part of the Appalachian Trail. Alright, so we're out here on the way to where we're going. We just took a quick detour. We call this the Rock. It's just kind of where a lot of people do graffiti. But it's just a big rock face on the side of the road here, and there's a waterfall down here that is still running, so we're gonna go check that out. It's so hazy. We're like inside of a snow cloud here. I need to put my sunglasses on. So this right here I think shows the accumulation pretty well. Here's my hand. I'd say, let's see, like a solid 10 inches to be honest. The redneckification reaches peak adventure when everyone and their brother that owns a four-wheel drive vehicle crawls out of the woodwork to drive around on hazardous roads, and today I was one of those rednecks. Gotta keep your drinks cold, boys. Get one, get one. There it is. Oh yeah. Dude, you're gonna be wet.
I'm gonna be wet.
That's a good one.
Dude, that's a great one.
Dude, look how deep that is.
That is a great one. I'll take a picture of that.
So the snow up here on the top, this is Woody's Gap. Overlook Trail, I thought. Well, so Woody's Gap, it's around this area. Preacher's Rock is that way. This is the Appalachian Trail pass through. And it's at least a foot. I'd say probably 14 inches of snow up here. It's pretty crazy up here, man. I'm telling you, when it snows in the South, it's like a regional holiday, isn't it, Grant? Everyone gets out, and you know, and everyone that has like a four-wheel drive vehicle, they all get out. All the trucks come out, all the Jeeps go. You gotta see it, man, because it doesn't happen that often. So this is the Woody Gap overlook right here, right? And we're in a snow cloud, and you just can't see anything. But I love it. It's amazing. And check this out. Van life.
Gotta throw a ball. I left my gloves in the truck. Oh man, it broke.
Like a Yeti.
I'm glad I didn't hit my rock or my head on this rock.
Oh my gosh, dude, that could have been bad. Dude, he could have got like a concussion. Look at that. That's like a rock.
You can't even see where the rock's at.
My bad. Besides driving around like an idiot, my other goal was to answer a question that perhaps many people have had in their lives. Can you use a skateboard deck as a snowboard? We're gonna see if we can make a snowboard out of some straps and a skateboard. This is not gonna work, is it? Just when you thought I couldn't look more ridiculous. This is an old skateboard I had. I've replaced, or an old deck. And this tail's kind of shot, but this one I think might be a little bit okay, so. This is so not gonna work. Here. Oh no. So what I've done here is I've strapped 1 foot to the skateboard with just a tie down strap. And the reason I didn't do 2 is I felt that I might need to do some kicking because I don't know how well this is gonna go. So let me try it out. Oh gosh, I'm gonna kill myself. This is so not gonna work. Okay, here we go. I feel we need better snow for this.
Yeah.
I might try this back at the house.
Or try to do it on the tracks if you can.
Yeah, that might work. Okay. Oh! That's it's a big negative. Let's take it back. I'm gonna take it back to some, look at that, to some slicker snow, and I think we might be able to get it to work. Unfortunately, the snow was too powdery here, so I decided to take my experiment back to my university campus, where people had been sledding all day, to see just what would happen. For the record, this hill is much steeper than it looks. I don't think it's gonna work. I'll certainly try. Oh man, this might be bad. Here we go. Oh, it works. Oh! Okay, can make this work. There we go. Okay, we got a better grip this time. Oh! Oh! Okay. You know what? I don't think I need this strap. So part of the problem, I think, is I'm putting this side first, and I think this broken tail is digging into it. So if we put the better tail first, might be okay. Oh! 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 I don't think it works very well. After getting a somewhat satisfactory answer, I decided to call it quits for the day and do that homework I put off earlier. Perhaps next time we have a big snow in the south, I'll actually own a snowboard and I can get myself hurt bombing hills on it. And thank you guys for watching, and if you were entertained by this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this coming out soon. I upload new videos every Thursday. Also follow me on Instagram to see daily content of places I've been and other adventure-related things. I'll see you next time.